Hi everyone, my name's Allison Whitworth. I have been a Lady Boss since September of 2017, so I just hit my 4-month mark. I've been using Lady Boss Labs for the last 2 weeks and just kind of getting to know the flavors and figuring out when to take them and like all that fun stuff. So I would have to say my absolute favorite product is the pre-workout. Guys, it tastes just exactly like sour watermelon candy, okay? And I know all these companies just say, no, we have the best tasting pre-workout, but no, like Lady Boss pre-workout tastes just like candy, and I look forward to drinking it every morning. And I think it's kind of changed my routine, right? Like I'm not a morning person at all, but it gets me out of bed because I know that just in a few short minutes, I'm going to be ready to go to the gym because it just wakes me up, it gets me focused, it gets me excited. So I really enjoyed that product, and I would honestly recommend any of the Lady Boss products to anybody.